Hi guys, I just got Uncharted Special Edition and Nathan Drake Collection Special Edition, and yeah, let's just get in it. I just hate these. This is so stupid. There we go. Okay. Includes access to Uncharted for multiplayer beta. Check that out. Oh, nice. That's a really good steelbook. And an art book. Let's see this. Oh, this is some really good art. Roman Pharaoh. Oh, this is some really good art right here. Chloe. Tenzin Shaffer. Wow. I don't know if you can see it that well, but it's really amazing how well it's done. Ramses Talbot. And that's it. Wow, this is some really good. Okay, I'm gonna try and into this, the main juicy part. Come on, there's supposed to be something here. Some stickers. Okay, I guess we're getting the scissors. Where are my scissors at? Okay. Sorry about that, guys. This is gonna be some hard stuff to do. Hopefully you can still see this. Okay. Okay. So let's check what's inside. Okay, we have the disc. We have stickers, okay. Naughty Dog Uncharted. Uncharted the Thieves End. Uncharted the Thieves End coming to 2016. Oh, this looks nice. Okay. And okay, so apparently it's telling me how to play the game. Who gives you this? Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Rate, like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, thanks for viewing this, and see ya.